You all remember our famous barrel oven, which we created exactly 3 years ago. If you're new here, don't worry, the creation tutorial part 1 and part 2 videos are available on my channel. Today, my friends, we have a different mission. As you can see, 3 years of time and harsh weather conditions from rain to snow have damaged its outer look. It's been a journey, and this oven has served us well, but it's time to restore it to its former glory. And that's not all in this video. We're going to add some very essential upgrades that will make it even better than before, like insulation and a third gas pipe in the middle under the sheet metal plate. Stay tuned until the end. We're going to check the temperature, bake with it, and monitor the real-time cooking process to determine its speed. Restoring and upgrading this barrel is about ensuring that it continues to serve us faithfully for years to come. So let's get our hands dirty and make this beauty shine again. Now, let's talk about the first essential addition, a third gas pipe. This one goes right in the middle under the sheet metal. It will distribute heat more evenly, especially from underneath, resulting in perfectly baked food every single time. This one was done exactly like the first two shown in my initial video. Second on the list is insulation. As you know, a well-insulated oven not only maintains consistent heat, but also saves energy. We'll be insulating the exterior to ensure our oven is more energy efficient and can handle those longer baking sessions with ease. Later on in the video, we will be tracking the baking process in real time to determine how fast and efficient this upgraded version has become compared to before.
تايم نشوف قد ايه رح تاخذ وقت. سوي كذا.
Don't forget to check out the other videos in this same series on my channel. If you like this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future DIY projects.
انت كمان
روح هلا معه. شو هيك؟
عادي
شو هيك؟
يرو نعم ياكلك لعندك
نملي على صدرك.
ايوه تاكلها عليه صاروا بيرحم يعملوا
غطوها صارت سودة.
يا فيد من فوق